In this video, I will show you how to clean the toilet.
And we have a cleaning caddy ready to complete the task faster. That is a cleaning caddy. In a previous video, I learned how to set it up properly.
You can watch that later after you finish watching this video. I will put the link to that video at the end of this lesson. So before you begin cleaning the toilet, always wear gloves to protect your hands. Apply the toilet cleaner evenly and give it time to react. Scrub the chemicals with a toilet brush so that any hard-to-reach areas are cleaned. Flush the toilet and wipe with a duster. Depending on your hotel standards, you may use different color cloth for cleaning different surfaces. Not yet finished. Check to make sure the toilet roll is adequate and keep an additional roll if it is less than half.
In this video, I learned how to clean the toilet in guest rooms. It is one of the steps of cleaning a guest room in the housekeeping department.
So you wanted the link to the video on how to set the cleaning caddy, right? Click on that link to watch the video. We will be back soon with yet another video. Also do share these videos on WhatsApp with your friends. You will see the share button just below the video. That way you will also help them to learn something new.
And if you have not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that. So many people have subscribed and get notification when we upload a new video. I will see you in the next video.